Hello, my beautiful friends. It is me. I decided that what I was going to do tonight was, as you know, I unboxed my Goddess Provisions box. Came with a ritual in it, and I decided that I'm going to do it for you to see if we have to, like boil a toad or whatever. Our lives are full of rituals, right? And rituals are different than spells. I don't do spell work. No judgment for those who do. I don't have those powers, or I believe others do, but I don't. So rituals, we do them every day. We brush our teeth, we take a shower. There are sacred rituals and not sacred rituals. We are full of rituals. Humans are full of them. So I figured I would try this one, and I only know that I needed to have my cloth out. I didn't really read in detail anything else. So we're going to do it from scratch. Now, I did take a minute to center myself and to light some incense. I use incense squares because they're better for my cats. And I have a Tree of Life incense holder, which you can't see because it's over here. But I'm going to light a candle, and I'm going to actually light my prosperity candle. I have my prosperity bowl here. So I'm going to light my prosperity candle. Just to bring in abundance and a reminder that we have lots of abundance and we're protected with light and love from abundance, and we're so grateful. I'm also going to use a sound bowl just to clear the space and clear the energy. This is my sound bowl, and I'm not very good at the sound bowl, I tell you. There are 3 sets of 3 for the Trinity. All right. So now we've cleared our space, and that was direction number 1. Cleanse your space with incense or using a singing bowl or other cleansing tools when I have a candle lit. Hold the amulet of protection in your hands. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, focusing your intention on protection and safety. So the amulet that came was the little key. I'm going to hold it in my hands, and I'm going to ask for protection and safety. And this ritual is meant to bring protection and safety, along with my medallion for the Holy Mother. She is my protection. And our intention with Spirit is to be mindful of Spirit's protection, abundance, and clarity, and safety. So what do we do with it now that we have it in our hands? Hopefully we don't have to hold it in our hands while we hold other things. Place the amulet of protection on the Magic Moon's luxurious textile. I have to use the word luxurious every time. All right, so I'm going to put it here. I have the table thing out, but I don't have enough room to spread the whole thing out, so I folded it up a little bit. All right, rub a few drops of the protection anointing oil onto your palms. Inhale the scent deeply, focusing on your intention for protection. Okay, so that was this. It smelled very good. So apparently I'm very bad at getting the top off of this. It feels like it should be easier. Okay. So I put it in my palms, asking for protection and safety. Smells really good, I will say. Okay. Hold the white howlite in your non-dominant hand. Okay. I'm ambidextrous, fun fact, but I would say my left hand is more. I use them both for different things, but I will say that's my less dominant hand. Allowing its calming and soothing properties to wash over you. Hold the phantom zebra calcite in your dominant hand, allowing its protective properties to shield you. Close your eyes and visualize yourself surrounded by a bright, glowing shield of light. See the shield as impenetrable, protecting you from any harm or negative energy. Hold the visualization as long as you feel comfortable, and when you are ready, open your eyes. Place the crystals on the Mystic Moon Luxurious textile with the amulet of protection in a safe and sacred place. Repeat this ritual as often as you feel necessary to maintain your sense of protection and safety. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to pause because you don't need to stare at me. I don't know how long this will take. So I'll be right back. But I have them in each of my hands and I'm going to hold them. All right. That's it. There were no frogs or newts. We didn't boil anything. It's pretty nice. It really helps you focus and it helps you think about it intention-wise. I always wear my Mary medallion to protect me, and I have called on Mother Mary many times and asked for her protection in addition to Jesus and God. But I think it's nice to sit and kind of sit in that space of, asking politely for protection and safety, and really thinking about it and thinking about Spirit and Spirit's love for us, right? So it was pretty cool. I have to say it was pretty cool. Not bad. All right, well, I hope this helped you, and I hope you can do this too if you have these. Honestly, all divination tools, you can do anything you want that brings you meaning. You don't have to do this ritual or any other specific ritual. You don't have to do any of it because you're a grown adult. You can do whatever you want. But if you have things at home that bring you meaning, you could do the same kind of thing. And I am wishing you all the very best in light and love and protection and safety as well. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.